Hi everybody, my name's Kevin Brown. I'm the UK Head of Sales here at Fraser Anti-static Techniques, and welcome to the first video. This is our video series, the 7 Rules of Electrostatics. They are 7 questions which we use internally, we pose to our customers and clients to enable us to be in a position of understanding their problem fully. But if you pose these questions to yourself and to your colleagues, hopefully they will enable you to understand the problems that you're experiencing and then be in a position to make an informed decision on how to proceed. So in this first video, I'm here with Laura. Laura's been with the business for nearly 20 years. Welcome, Laura.
Hi, Kevin.
So, Laura, why is it important that both we and our customers understand their expectations when dealing with static electricity?
Electrostatics is complex, and the severity of the static problem that a customer may have varies massively between processes and industries. So it's always worth keeping an open mind when dealing with static, and it's important that you consider the effect that static's having on your process.
Yeah, that's a really valid point, actually. Customers often say to me, "Well, why don't you just get rid of all of it?" And the truth is, we can get rid of all of it. If you really need us to get rid of all of it, we can. But, depending upon how fast your process is and how much charge you've got in the first place, there's a bunch of other factors that we have to kind of take into consideration. So it does pose the question, though, Laura, is there kind of guidelines or levels of static that you might be able to aim towards and problems start to go away?
Well, static isn't always that straightforward. It really depends on the application and process. If the customer is in the electronics industry, for example, anything over 50 volts could pose a risk to their product, whereas in the plastics industry, a static level of, say, 6 to 10,000 volts might be acceptable.
Thanks, Laura. Yeah, I think people will find that really useful, having just a few little guidelines of things to work towards. It'll enable them to be in a position to start thinking about, where they are now and where they're trying to get to. So, thanks very much for that, Laura. So that was the first video. The first question, why is it important to understand your expectations? And that will be different for everybody. So hopefully that's the first question that you can start to pose around your business. You can talk to your colleagues about. And the second series, what you're trying to achieve, will be coming along very shortly. So I hope you've enjoyed the video and see you soon.